Good morning, one and all. Joanne here. Today, we are going to conduct a webinar on the prerequisites for career in heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And the webinar will be handled by Mr. Asif, CEO of Princeton Smart Engineers. The Princeton Smart Engineer traces its roots back to 2004 in New Delhi, with dozens of successful projects under its belt. It is one of the most trusted engineering, maintenance, training service in Delhi, and also extend its services across India in various states such as Karnataka, Gujarat, in locations such as Bangalore, Mysore, and Jaipur. In 2020, Princeton Smart Engineers collaborated with the Vedit Tech Trading Contracting and Service (WLL) Doha, Qatar, in an MOU for their expertise in technical know-how and skill development. The Princeton Smart Engineers involves in a wide range of service, including operation and maintenance, mechanical and electrical constructions, skill development training, interior design, energy saving solutions, MEP design, and consultancy services. Along with these, the company has worked with several other organizations in providing interior design energy saving solutions. For their skill development and training divisions perspective, the customers belong to a wide variety of engineering students from over 50 plus colleges based in and around the Bangalore, as well as training corporate professionals as well. Today, the session will be handled by Mr. Asif, the CEO of Princeton Smart Engineers. He is an entrepreneur having 10 years of industrial experience, MEP facility engineer, United Group Limited, Doha. His major project involved FIFA World Cup Stadium, Ministry of Youth and Sport Maintenance Engineer, and we are very lucky to get a chance to interact with such an eminent person who has a lot of experience and who proved himself as a very good entrepreneur in the last 10 years. Now, I would like to welcome Mr. Asif to take over the session. Sir, you can start your.
Good morning. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity and joining this webinar.
Dear students, please take this opportunity, make maximum use of this opportunity, and find what are the opportunity in this field, and whatever the doubt you have, you please clarify with him. So please continue.
Okay, thank you. So, guys, good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining this webinar. My name is Asif, and I am MEP engineer. MEP stands for Mechanical, Electrical, and Plumbing. MEP is the profile. I'll explain you about the profiles. So, guys, this webinar is not, the deep technical. This webinar is about reality. Reality means what my company is doing and what type of project we do and what all profiles are available in market. Because after your graduation, once you will join, any company, so what all profiles will be there. So how to select the profile. Those things I'm going to explain you. And if you have any plan to do a startup in core mechanical, so how to do that without any investment. Those things I'll explain you. Then after ma'am will take over the session and ma'am will explain you about the internship opportunity in our company background. Fine. So guys, I was working in company UGL, United Group. It was in Doha, Qatar. I was working for the FIFA World Cup Stadium project. Qatar is going to host FIFA World Cup in 2022. So I was working for that project. I got few ideas. I left job. I came here and started this company. So basically, my company is working in designing sector. What we do, what type of project we do, I'll show you the projects also. But now I'm giving you the brief introduction. So what my company is doing, we are getting projects related to infrastructure. I mean, any malls, airport, railway station, metro station, any university, high-rise tower, or IT park, that type of project we are getting. And we do mechanical, electrical, and plumbing design. Got it. Apart from that, why I'm giving this webinar, I'll tell you what happened when I was working in Qatar. I realized that only 10% of my academic knowledge I am using in this company. So I was surprised, and everybody is aware that there is a huge gap between industry and academic system. right? So I was thinking to do startup, and that time what happened after the new government startup, the name startup was booming in India. So fortunately, after coming back to India, I got chance to meet Bangalore people. Some events they taught me, if you have any idea, if you have any plan, want to do startup in any sector, whether the sector is education or engineering or agriculture, the first thing what you have to do, the first thing, you should know that ground level reality, and you should know that customer pain point. And if you have, the solution, better solution, if you can become problem fixer, the company, the society, the customer will give you more than 100 times of your expectation. Got it? The first thing what you have to do, you have to understand ground level problem. You have to understand customer pain point. For example, how many startups we have in market. you know we have Ola, we have Zomato, we have Swiggy, we have Baiju, right? We have Oyo. You know that what type of problem they are solving? If you don't have car, without having car, you can hire car within a minute and you can travel any destination. So Ola is giving this, right? The same way, if you have any idea, if you have any plans, the first thing you need to understand what type of problem you are going to solve, because this is not traditional business, guys. Now I am doing this traditional business, but I was more interested to do startup, something new, and we are working on that startup. So what they taught me, why don't you start working with engineering college? Why don't you start working with the students to understand their problem? Because we know that no core company want to visit our campus. This is the reality. In every state of India, no core, even the top colleges will be surprised to see the core companies placement in top colleges. No core company want to visit. So do you think that there is no job in market for core people? Right? Because civil engineers, mechanical engineers, they are joining IT company. Because we know that 95% companies are coming in our campus, they are related to IT background, right? We are forced to learn, the web development, machine learning, AI. So what do you think? Why we have joined mechanical engineering? Do you think that this world can survive without us? IT industry is growing. I'm not against IT industry. Even I'm doing this webinar because of the internet, right? So what I'm going to tell you here, we can learn information technology, we can learn web development, we can learn app development, and we can utilize those knowledge, those technology in our core field. And we can do some startup in our core field, and we can generate some jobs for our juniors. Got it? So guys, you cannot imagine, IT industry is growing. Definitely IT industry is growing and we are dependent on IT. But we cannot imagine this world without mechanical. We cannot imagine this world without electricity. We cannot imagine this world without infrastructure. So it means there is a requirement of mechanical, electrical, and civil engineers. But unfortunately, we don't know what is the exact requirement, what all profiles are available in market, how to join that, how to be industry ready. And one more thing I'll tell you, go and check my name in Naukri.com. I do work as a HR in Naukri.com because we hire people for our company, for other company also, for our sister company. So what I have seen, the students, or I can say the people, after 2 years of experience, they want to switch their career. Even the professors, I can show you my WhatsApp message also, because I do have good contact with all the engineering college. So they're messaging me, sir, I am fed up with this job, I want to change. Why? The reason I'll tell you, because first thing I'll tell you, in India, we are doing engineering not because of us, because of our parents or society, the 90% people. Okay, after doing engineering, our goal is immediately we want job. And unfortunately, we don't know, if we are doing mechanical engineer, what will be our job role. After the mechanical engineer, what will be our work? We don't know. So what we will do, we will join any company. And after 2 years, 1 year of experience, we will realize that I don't like this profile. I am not happy in this company. I want to switch. So new company will count you as a fresher. Got it? So that time, what about my 2 years of experience? Of course, you will suffer that time. So if any organization or any system is there who can tell us what will be my work, what is the role of maintenance engineer, what is the role of design engineer, so I will be happy to join according to my personality, right? So I'll get more salary, the company will grow, and definitely I'll also grow. Got it. So I'm going to explain you the few things about profile so that you will have some, the idea before joining any company. Got it. I hope you understood why I'm giving this webinar, because I'm more interested to do new startup. The new startup will be related to academic and industry, especially for the core engineers. Got it. And it's been 3 years we are giving, the seminar or webinar in all the colleges. So as I told you, MEP, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing is the profile. In Naukri.com, TimesJob, Shine.com, whenever you will search for job, what you will find there? You know that? You will find profile name, means maintenance, designing, marketing, or MEP engineer. MEP is the profile name. MEP engineer, senior engineer, or MEP manager. They will write there, they are looking for MEP engineer experience 0 to 5 years. Same way, they will write there MEP manager. Got it? So MEP is the profile. Remember this. So in mechanical, we have major domain here. Name of the domain is HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Fine. Guys, whenever we see any construction industry, we will feel that only civil engineers can work in construction industry. But I'll tell you, more than 70% engineers are working in construction industry. They are from mechanical and electrical background. Remember, they are from mechanical and electrical background. How, when, where, all the things I'll explain you. But remember these things in construction industry, in infrastructure project, we people are working more than civil engineers. Got it? Because, after this building, after this structure, the civil engineer job role is finished. Got it? He will get the, plan, he will get the area, he will develop the building, and he will leave. Then after, BMS system will come. Remember the term, name, because during the interview, they will ask you, and you will understand where you have to work, what all profiles are there, how to search job, those things you will understand, and what all the things you need to learn before leaving your college. Right? So BMS is building management system. BMS is building management system. Under this system, we can control all the things in entire building. Okay. I'm talking about high-rise building. I'm talking about a stadium. I'm talking about the 7-star, 5-star hotel. Okay. Mostly BMS system you can see in abroad. For example, in Middle East, in Europe. Okay. So under this BMS system, we have to work as a mechanical engineer. So with the help of BMS system, we can control lighting, elevators, access control, HVAC, fire alarm, energy meter, all the things we can control with the help of BMS system. So this is our job role after the civil engineers. Now, so as I told you, in MEP, we have major domain. The name of the domain is HVAC, heating, ventilation, air condition design. But for mechanical engineer, I'll tell you, nowadays mechanical engineer are working as a MEP engineer. They do electrical design designing. They do plumbing designing also. But so guys, I'll show you what I'll do here. I'll show you a few images. Why I'll show you images? Because you can recall the things. Where have you seen these images? I mean, these products. So you will understand that what will be your work. What will be your job role? Fine, see here. This is called split unit. This is called split unit. Definitely you have seen somewhere, might be in your school, college, in your house also. But you can see the brand name is here mentioned, Hitachi. You know why I'm telling you the brand name? I'll tell you later. It's related to our program. Fine. So this is called split unit. And this is called outdoor unit. This is not cooler. Remember this. Why I'm telling you? Because I had this experience during the seminar with final year students in Bangalore. But telling me this is cooler, but this is not cooler, guys. This is outdoor unit. You have to connect this outdoor unit to indoor unit. Got it? See here. The technician, he is fixing this outdoor unit. Somewhere you have seen might be wall mounted or somewhere on rooftop. What we have to do, we have to fix this outdoor unit and we have to connect this outdoor unit to indoor unit, to split unit. Fine. This is window AC. Definitely you have seen somewhere. So we have different type of air conditioned system in market. We have split unit, indoor unit, we have window AC, we have VRF system, right? We have chiller plant, we have portable air conditioned system. So we have different type of air conditioned system. So how to decide those systems, those things you will learn once you will start working on the project. Fine. What about this? This is centralized air conditioned system. You can find this centralized air conditioning system in mall, IT park, hospitals. Got it? So guys, who will design this? Who will design this system? Mechanical engineer will design this system. So it means there is a job, there is a requirement of mechanical engineer. So in our company, we have two methods to design this kind of AC system. The first method is manual method and second is software method. Nowadays, mostly company, I'll tell you, even the small company, they will prefer software method because we can reduce our time. Got it? And with the help of software, we can do big project in minimum time. So we have two methods. One is manual, remember, and second is software. So name of the software is HAP. HAP is the software. With the help of the HAP software, we can do heat load calculation. On the basis of heat load calculation, we will find the TR value. After finding TR value, we can decide the air conditioning system size and type. Got it? You will get catalog. In this catalog, you can see what will be the size of this air conditioning system. So according to the project, according to the client requirement, you can decide with the help of HAP software, HAP. Remember the name of the software. International software, or it's a licensed version, right? Fine. So, there are few things before joining any company, why no core company want to hire us? You know that reason? The reason I'll tell you, the core company turnover is not like the IT company turnover. They have less turnover. They don't want to hire fresher to train them. And nowadays, engineers are coming like completely outdated. So what they want engineers, they have some little bit experience. They're not asking for 5 years, 10 years experience. At least some knowledge should be there related to my company. Just tell me if you don't know what is HU, if you don't know what is chiller, if you don't know what is cooling tower, if you don't know what is the use of app software, it means I have to train you from scratch. It will take time, minimum 2 to 3 months. After that, in case if you are getting another job, definitely you will run away. Loss for me, and I can't bear that loss. Got it? I can't bear that loss. So what I will do, I will look for people who can, and at least who can say something about HU. What is the meaning of HU? Where we can use this HU, air handling unit. Got it? So what you have to, that's why I'm telling you guys, before leaving your college, you need to understand the industry demand. I'm not telling you to become expert. At least you should have some knowledge, not only for job or a startup, at least for being a mechanical engineer, you should know something. We should know something. For society, at least we can say proudly that I'm a mechanical engineer. If I'm visiting any malls with my friends or family, I can say proudly that I can design this small air conditioning system. If anybody is going to buy any air conditioning system, I can guide him what type of AC he should buy and what should be the exactly size according to my area, because I know the calculation. Got it? So this is the real use in society, being a mechanical engineer. Fine. So what about this? Definitely you have seen, if your college is upgraded, I mean like if your college is like IT Park, for example, in Hosur Road, there is a one college, Dayanand Sagar University. I have visited so many times that college. They are like IT Park. They have completely, the modern equipment, centralized air conditioning system, all the things they have. So you can see in your college campus, if your college is upgraded, otherwise you can see in malls, in railway station, metro station. This is called AC duct, guys. So in our company, not in our company, in any designing company, we use duct sizer software to design this kind of AC duct. Duct sizer software. Remember, I told you two software. One is HAP software, another one is duct sizer software. And one more software is the Beta software for the designing of air terminal. Beta software. Duct sizer software we are using in any designing company to design this kind of AC duct. And duct will be for, different type of duct we have. Not like that this type of duct you have seen only, you will find this type of duct everywhere. No, we have different type of the duct system according to the project, according to the requirement. Got it? And who will design this? Mechanical engineer will design this. Who will do the installation work? Mechanical engineer will do the installation work. So it means we need mechanical engineer, and there is a requirement. See the duct system. Fine. So we will have an outdoor duct, we will have indoor duct. According to the project, you will understand what type of project we do. You will understand, you will get work, and you will design. You will use the duct sizer software. Fine. So guys, we need air conditioning system in our residential building, residential project, in our houses, right? So we can call them the residential project. We need air conditioning system in malls, in commercial place, right? So we can call them commercial project, residential, commercial, or industrial. Three type of project we have in market, right? So we need air conditioning system in airport. We need air conditioning system in hospital. Right? So it means there is an opening, there is a requirement. I am telling you again and again so that you will understand that yeah, there is an opening, there is a requirement. I can get core jobs if you are really interested. Got it? Or if you're not, unfortunately, if you're not getting job in core field, if you're working as an IT engineer or any type of engineer, at least you should have this knowledge. Proudly you can say, and definitely you can utilize this knowledge anywhere, whether you are working as a mechanical design engineer or site engineer or not. Fine. So guys, before construction of any type of building, before construction, the first thing what we need, just imagine what we need that we can start construction of any type of project. The first thing we need architectural drawing. Then after we can start construction of that building. You can see the left side here. This is the architectural drawing. This type of plan, this type of drawing you need, not you, civil engineer need, and he will start construction of the building. See here, the actual plan will be like this. In this plan, you have to understand, this is the conference room, meeting room, working area, HR room. Got it? The actual plan will be like this. This is the 1 BHK house. In this 1 BHK house, you can understand terrace, living room, kitchen different. It was European drawing. So why? That's why I'm telling you, you need to understand drawing also. This is the 1 BHK house. You can see the living room, kitchen room, bedroom. So this drawing you need before construction of any building. Got it? I'll tell you. So how we people are working on that drawing, being a mechanical and electrical engineer. This is the project flow. In this project flow, I'll explain you in our company how we people are working, or any company you will get to know how company is working. Just imagine you are a client and you want to construct your own hospital. Right, you want to construct your own hospital, you have 10,000 square feet area or 20,000 square feet area. What you will do? You will approach architect. First thing, you will approach architect. Nowadays, civil engineers are also designing. So, you are a client, you will tell architect that I want to construct my own hospital. The architect, what he will do, he will prepare for you this type of drawing for the hospital project. This is the 1 BHK house. Just imagine for hospital, it will be G+5 or G+2. I mean, ground plus 5 or ground plus 2 building. Just imagine the hospital, any hospital, right? So after that, once you are satisfied with the drawing, then he will submit the project to designing consultant. Who is designing consultant? We are working as a designing consultant in market. Got it? Go and check in Naukri.com. How many designing consultants are there in India? We are working as a designing consultant. So now the job role of mechanical engineer will start in designing consultant after getting this type of drawing. Got it? I mean, civil plan. Once you will receive the civil plan, then being a mechanical engineer, what you have to do? You have to do air conditioning system design for the hospital. You have already seen. You will use Hvac software. You will use manual method. You will use duct sizer software to design the duct. After the designing, you will prepare BOQ. BOQ is bill of quantity. Just remember the term. It's nothing. It's an Excel file. In that Excel file, you are going to mention that what all equipment you are going to use for the hospital project. What will be the size? What will be the brand? What will be the specification? What will be the price? You are going to mention in that Excel file, and the name of the Excel file in market, in company is BOQ, bill of quantity. And after that, you will coordinate with the electrical engineer in the designing company. And the electrical engineer, what he will do transformer sizing, he will do lighting design, he will do cable sizing. And then after, he will prepare BOQ for electrical department. And after, plumbing part will come. Definitely we need plumbing guys for hospital. If we need plumbing, powerhouse, then we need plumbing for hospitals also. Then mechanical engineer or civil engineer will design the plumbing part also. Actual part, the actual job role will be from mechanical side. The mechanical engineer will do the plumbing design. Got it? And again, he will prepare BOQ for the plumbing part. Once mechanical, electrical, plumbing designing is over in the designing consultant, then they will submit the project to construction company, and the construction company will start construction of the hospital. And then job role of civil engineer will start. Got it? You understood now the mechanical engineer job role in designing consultant. You will work like a software engineer. You will work in software like IT engineer. You will get plan and you will do the calculation. You will prepare the BOQ. You will submit that. Got it? And you can see in this project flow why it is mentioned here manufacturer. Initially I told you, I'm telling you the brand name of split unit Hitachi. Why? Because just remember this, that very important job role. If you are working as a design engineer in any company, you have that power, you have that authority. You are going to select the brand name of any equipment. You know that? In BOQ, I told you in bill of quantity, you are going to mention the brand name. So you will have that power, you will have that authority. You are going to select the brand name, because in market we have Hitachi, we have Samsung, we have Voltas, we have Blue Star. You know how many companies we have? See here. Google about the company related to your branch, guys, so that you can apply for job. If you don't know the company, how come you will apply? So how many company we have? How to select the brand name? So all the manufacturing company, what they will do, they will send their marketing engineer to you with their catalog. They will request you, please sir, recommend my brand. Samsung will come, Voltas will come, Hitachi will come, Blue Star will come. And you will have good contact with all the manufacturing company in India and abroad. That's why we do have good contact. And whenever they have any job opening, they'll update us. And what we will do, our teammates will update in Facebook page so that any needy people, any needy students can apply for that job. 1 month back, we had a requirement for Bangalore and Delhi location. Got it? You can check that page. You can like that page if you're looking for job now or after. So I hope you understood, from client to construction company to manufacturing company, and our role is in designing consultant if we are working as a design engineer. Got it? Now I'll tell you the profile name, guys. So first profile here we have HVAC design engineer, first profile, and you know the job role of design engineering now. And the second profile we have here, site engineering, because after the designing, we need someone who can do the installation work. So the job role will be, or job profile name will be site engineer. And third profile, after installation, hospital is ready now. We need someone who can do the maintenance work, and the profile name will be maintenance engineer. And fourth profile here we have sales and marketing engineer. Definitely we need someone who can sell the mechanical product. Guys, people are thinking that sales and marketing job is very low grade job, but I'll tell you, very high paying job is sales and marketing. Very high paying, and more job opening in this profile. Google, who is getting more salary? Got it? Because we are not selling here Surf Excel. We are going to sell the mechanical product. We need technical person, BTech engineer. And the fifth profile here we have purchase and procurement engineer. We need someone in our company who can buy all the mechanical product, all the electrical product. So the profile name will be purchase and procurement engineer. Total we have 5 profiles. According to your personality, you can choose the profile. If you want, if you love to meet new people, if you want to visit all over India, all over country, all over world, then I'll suggest you to go for sales and marketing job profile or purchase and procurement job profile. And if you want to work like IT engineer, see in this image, your laptop, air conditioned room, then I'll suggest you to go for designing job profile. So according to your personality, according to your, guys, you can choose the profile. So I hope you understood about the profile, guys. After the designing, you can see in this image, the site engineer, they will follow your design. If you're a design engineer, they will follow your design. You can see in this drawing. And they will start construction of the building. Construction means not civil construction only, guys. Here I'm talking about mechanical construction. I mean, who will do the installation work of duct? Who will do the installation work of air conditioning system? Who will do the installation work of chiller plant? Mechanical engineer will do the mechanical construction. Site engineer job role will be. So I hope you understood about the profile and about the job role of mechanical design engineer and HVAC system. Now I'll tell you, if you want to do a startup in this field, how to do a startup in this core HVAC system or in mechanical system, and how much money you need. The first thing what you need, that skill should be there. I mean, how to design any air conditioned system for any type of project. Project means BHK house, 3 BHK house, IT park, hospital, airport, any type of project. You should know how to do the air conditioning system design. First thing. Second, you should have your own laptop. Third, internet connection should be there. And fourth, very important, contact with builder and architect, because they are the one, they will give us project. If you have contact, they will give you this type of drawing for any type of project. Being a mechanical engineer, you will do the calculation, you will design, you will prepare BOQ, you will submit over the email and you will get the payment. Just tell me, what is the investment here? Your skills and one laptop only. You can start working in from your house, work from home, from your room. Once you will get 5 or 10 projects, then you can open your private office. Got it? And you can hire few electrical engineer so that he can do the electrical design also, and you can do the complete project. Like we have started working as electrical designing consultant. Now we are doing complete MEP designing and installation work also. Same way you can start. If Indian economy is going down, if there is a problem, no need to worry, guys. I'll tell you one very important point. You'll be surprised to hear what I have seen in Qatar. Just imagine, if I'm in Dubai, I want to construct one stadium. What I will do? I will approach this designing company, designing consultant in Dubai. Right. So I have to pay him money. So if I'm going to pay him, I will pay him in dirham. Dirham is a currency. 1 dirham is equal to 20 rupees. So imagine if I'm going to hire any Indian company, I have to pay him in Indian currency. I can save my money. Got it? Same way we people are working. The 60% of designing company, they are working for Middle East, they are working for Singapore, they are working for Australia. People from Middle East and Singapore, they can save money and we people can get project. So nowadays we have internet, you can Google how many companies are there, you can apply for that. They're looking for freelance design engineer, you can apply for that also. And before your graduation, you can start working as a freelance design engineer. If you have this skill, you can start earning money and earning experience also. Because one more example I'll tell you, just imagine if every month I'm getting 10 projects, and in any month if I'm getting 15 projects, do you think that for 5 extra projects, I'm gonna hire design engineer, permanent design engineer? Not at all. I'll look for freelance design engineer. That time your job role will come there. If you have skills, if you have contact with me, you can apply. I'll give you the project. You can complete the project. You will get the payment. That is depend on company and it's depend on situation, not all the time. So I hope you understood all the things. Now, I'll show you the project, guys. Yeah, I'll show you the project now, and the catalog also I'll show you. See here, this is the catalog, guys, from Blue Star Company. This is the catalog from Blue Star Company. You will receive this type of catalog if you're a design engineer from each and every company from India. Blue Star, Hitachi, from all the company you will receive. And what you will find in this catalog, you will find that equipment details. For example, we have 5-star inverter split AC, right? You can see the TR value, you can see the type, rating. Same way we have here 3-star inverter split AC. We have here window AC, we have portable AC. So you will get all the description here, specification, price list, everything from every company. So this type of catalog you will receive from each and every company. Okay, if you're working as a design engineer. Now I'll show you the project. See here, this is the actual project from client side. Not a big project, but medium range project. School building. Nowadays, all the interns are working on this project. See here, this is the school building. The actual project you will receive like this. And being a mechanical engineer, you know what you have to do? You have to do the air conditioning system design for this complete project. Right? And guys, tell me, if you are a student now, just if you are capable to design this school building, then definitely you can do for your college building. If your college is planning to upgrade in future, they can follow your design. You can do for malls, you can do for IT park. You can mention in your CV that you have work experience in real-time project. So any company will be happy to see that profile, but it in resume. So I hope you understood about the profile and all the things. Fine. Now, ma'am will explain you about our company. Thank you, guys.